డిఎస్సి ఒడిశా టీజీటీ సైన్స్ పీసీఎం పీడిఎఫ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. సెక్షన్ 4 పేపర్ 1 పెడాగజీ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ పాలసీస్ అండ్ ఎవాల్యుయేషన్. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో రీజనింగ్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ కంటెంట్ వీడియోస్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరుగును. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ఏ కో స్కాలస్టిక్ ఏరియా ఫర్ అసెస్మెంట్? ఏ. ఆర్ట్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ is right answer. 52. The strategy adopted by elementary teachers to assess performance of their students is to 52 answer B. Rely heavily on actual samples of student work. 52. B is right answer. 53. In order to reduce subjectivity and increase transparency in scoring oral presentations and speeches, it's best to use 53 answer C. Rubrics. 53 answer rubrics is right answer. 54. A questionnaire seeking students reflection on their progress in their lesson, including how they feel, is a 54 answer D. Self-assessment. 54 answer self-assessment is right answer. 55. In order to correlate test scores with teachers' estimates, a teacher could 55 answer A. Correlate with other test scores and classroom observations. 55 A is right answer. 56. Assessments woven into the learning process is ongoing, frequently paced and connected to the class work that provides feedback to both the student and the teacher is 56 answer A. Formative is right answer. 57. The biggest problem with the examination system is that it makes 57 answer C. Both the teacher and student anxious. 58. Testing core scholastic areas becomes important because 58 answer D. They add value to the student. In terms of value, it adds to a student life in the long run. 58 answer D. They add value to the student. In terms of value, it adds to a student life in the long run. The skills of collaboration, problem solving, decision making and communication are accessed by learning that occurs. 59 answer A. During project work. 59 during project work. E option is correct. 60. Waiting doesn't make the cattle fatter. A statement on testing by an educator implies that 60 answer B. It is important to measure what can be defined and improved on. 60 B. It's important to measure what can be defined and improved on. B is correct option. 61. Alternative assessment strategies are increasingly being employed as 61 answer A. It is a comprehensive evaluation and is free from test anxiety. 61 answer A is right. It is a comprehensive evaluation and is free from test anxiety. 2. The three fundamental intertwined elements that form the basis of effective schooling are 62 answer A. Motivation, cognition and emotions element. 62 answer A. Motivation, cognition and emotions elements. A option is correct. 63. As per Kohlberg, moral development happens at 63 C. 3 levels. 63 3 levels. C option is correct. 64. Physical education is that field of education which deals with the big muscle activities and their related responses. Who said this? 64 answer A. J.B. Nash. J.B. Nash is correct option. J.B. Nash is correct option. Rahul is very afraid of school, malls and other places where there are people he might be suffering from. 65 option C. Social anxiety is the right answer. 66. Which of the following is not a true statement about development? Answer 66 answer A. Development takes place only up to a certain age. 66 answer A. Development takes place only up to a certain age is correct option. 67. Which of the following aids and promotes development? 67 answer A. Social interaction. 67 answer A. Social interaction is correct. 68. Daisy acts as if she has a physical or a mental illness. She does this as she enjoys the attention and the treatment she receives in the hospital. She might be suffering from 68 answer D. Factitious disorder. Factitious disorder is right answer. 68 D is correct. 69. The child first gains control of the head, then the arms, then the legs. This refers to 69. C is correct. Capillocoidal development. 70. Evaluating and reporting on the work of teachers and on the progress of the teaching of the subject or area in schools is done by 70. Answer A. Education officer curriculum. A option is correct. Education officer curriculum is correct. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan mandates. Answer C. Universal elementary education. 71 answer universal elementary education is correct option. 72. Which of the following isn't a function of educational management? 72. A option. Judgment is right option. 72. A. Judgment is correct. 73. All of the following are objectives of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan except 73. A option is correct. Make English the medium of education at primary and secondary levels. 73. A. Make English the medium of education at primary and secondary levels is correct. 74. The importance of the practice of bagless days is to 74. A. Promote vocation. Promote vocation is correct. 75. The new structure of schooling proposed by New Education Policy 2020 is 75. C option is correct. 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure is correct. 76. The proposed New Education Policy 2020 uniquely differentiates itself from other policies till now. Which of the following is a clear departure in NEP 2020 National Education Policy among others? 76 answer B. Including the pre-primary years within policy consideration. 76 B option is correct. Including the pre-primary years within policy consideration is correct. 77. One of the criticisms leveled on RTE Right to Education Act 2009 was that it 77 answer D was an infringement on the rights of private schools. 77 D was an infringement on the rights of private schools is correct. In a classroom, all the girls choose art and all the boys choose basketball for an activity class. This is an example for 78 answer A. Gender stereotype. Gender stereotype is correct. 79. Which of the following questions on Romeo and Juliet focuses on the analytical skills of the student? 79. D. Argue for or against Romeo and Juliet is a tragedy. 79. D. Argue for or against Romeo and Juliet is a tragedy is correct. 80. While grouping children as per their learning, what's the precautions to be exercised in an inclusive classroom? 80. Answer C. Be flexible and resign based on progress. 80. C. Be flexible and reassign based on progress is correct. 81. 81. What does ADHD stands for? 81. D. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. 81. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder is correct. 82. Task teaching is sometimes called as answer. 82. A option. Station teaching is correct. Station teaching is correct. 83. Which practice according to many educationists is counter to the learning process? 83 answer D. Offering knowledge in disconnected chunks is correct. 83 D option is correct. 84. Activities provided to the students for learning comes under the category of 84 A. Learning experience is correct. 84 A. Learning experiences. 85. In the classroom space organized for learning, which of the following characteristics is recognized as true about transactions in classrooms? 85 answer C. Classrooms are multidimensional and simultaneous is correct. 85 answer C is correct. 86. After the phase of early childhood, acquiring a foreign language without action becomes progressively more difficult because early childhood is 86 answer A. Critical for language acquisition. Critical for language acquisition is correct. 87. Equilibrium can be defined as answer C. Making sense of the experiences by understanding it. 87 answer C is correct. 88. An English teacher projects children's essays and discusses way of improving, continually emphasizing how the writing has been improving. The teacher has adapted. 88 answer A. Expectancy and value theory of motivation is correct. 88 A option is correct. 89. The concept of general and specific intelligence was given by. 89 D. Charles Spearman. The concept of general and specific intelligence was given by Charles Spearman is correct. Last one from pedagogy. The concept of emotional intelligence was developed by. Answer B. Daniel Goleman. Daniel Goleman is correct option. పీడిఎఫ్ కావాలనుకున్న వాళ్ళకు డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో పీడిఎఫ్ లింక్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. కావాలనుకున్న వాళ్ళు పీడిఎఫ్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్, లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ కామెంట్.